October 17th, I got a trade with the currency pair US dollar versus Swedish krona. And this is the 4 hour chart. And this is at this very moment. I had drawn a supply zone from this wicks, the previous wicks here, as you can see. And I took immediately a blind entry, sell entry at this level when the price hit this floor on this supply zone box here, rectangle. And it went very well. The price went into this supply zone, and immediately the seller stepped in swiftly. And at this very moment, I have about 27,000 Swedish krona in profit, approximately 2,700 US dollar. And I will take this trade and cash in the profits. And I hope you like the video where I showed how this wick entered the supply zone for our chart. I have also a great video where you can look how I drawn my supply zones areas, which is very accurate. Have a good day. Bye for now.